Good morning, students. Today we are going to start the next unit, Plant Physiology 2nd. Marks weightage of this unit is 5 marks. Now we are going to start the chapter number 12 and title is Nitrogen Metabolism and Nitrogen Cycle. Let's start introduction. Nitrogen is an important element found in all organisms because protoplasm of cell consists of proteins, amino acid, nucleic acid, vitamins, and these organic compounds are made up of nitrogen element. Nitrogen gas is found in largest amount in atmosphere, amounting to about 78% of gaseous contents of atmosphere. It means nitrogen is available in the atmosphere in abundance. 78% of atmosphere is dinitrogen form or N2. But plants cannot directly absorb the atmosphere nitrogen. So, nitrogen is a major component of proteins found in protoplasm, and it is found as major component of various organic compounds like nucleic acids, DNA and RNA, vitamins, enzymes, amino acids, hormones and chlorophyll. Structure of chlorophyll is made up of carbon, hydrogen, oxygen and nitrogen. 4 pyrrole rings consist of nitrogen and surrounded by magnesium element. As we know that nitrogenous compounds form about 5 to 30% part of total dry weight of the plant, which indicates that besides carbon, hydrogen and oxygen, and it is the most prevalent element in living organisms. Because deficiency of nitrogen results into several disorders in plants like chlorosis, loss of chlorophyll pigment in the leaves, then leaves become yellowish color, necrosis, death of leaf tissues. Nitrogen is a limiting nutrient for both natural and agricultural ecosystem because plants compete with microbes or microorganisms for the limited nitrogen that is available in soil. It means nitrogen is countable in critical elements because nitrogen is a macronutrient and nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, NPK are known as critical elements because utilization of these elements by plants continuously, then soil faces limited amount of these nutrients and cannot supply properly to plants. Then farmers use chemical fertilizers. Plants cannot absorb the gaseous form of nitrogen, it means atmosphere nitrogen. So plants can use nitrogen absorbed from soil only where it is present in the form of nitrogen containing organic and inorganic compounds. प्लांट्स एटमॉस्फेयर नाइट्रोजन जो गैसेस फॉर्म में होते हैं उसको तो डायरेक्टली एब्जॉर्ब नहीं कर सकते. प्लांट सोइल से वही नाइट्रोजन एब्जॉर्ब कर सकते हैं जो या तो ऑर्गेनिक फॉर्म में हो या इनऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड फॉर्म में हो, लाइक अमोनिया फॉर्म, नाइट्राइट फॉर्म एंड नाइट्रेट फॉर्म. Higher plants and animals cannot utilize free atmosphere nitrogen, but some bacteria, fungi, and blue-green algae (BGA) are capable of fixing atmosphere nitrogen. These microorganisms, bacteria, fungi, and blue-green algae or cyanobacteria, fix the atmosphere nitrogen or convert into ammonia to nitrite and nitrite to nitrate. Nitrate is the absorbable form to the plants. So these microorganisms may be found in the form of symbiont or as free living forms in soil. Symbiosis or asymbiosis. Symbiosis means when both plant and microorganisms get profit. ++. Hence, plants absorb nitrogen fixed by microbes and utilize in the synthesis of various organic compounds like proteins, amino acid, hormones, chlorophyll, vitamins, enzymes, and nucleic acids. Okay. Now, we are going to talk about the nitrogen cycle. Organic compounds, proteins, nucleic acids, enzymes, hormones participate in cellular organization and different metabolic activities of the cell. So, from plants, these organic compounds are passed into animals and cycled back to soil and atmosphere where it may be used by other organisms. प्लांट से ये ऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड्स एनिमल्स में पास हो जाएंगे, फिर एनिमल से वापिस एनिमल्स की डेथ होने की वजह से या एक्सक्रीटरी प्रोडक्ट्स की वजह से सॉइल में चले जाएंगे, सॉइल से वापिस ये एटमॉस्फेयर में चले जाएंगे. तो ये साइकिल चलता रहता है और इस साइकिल को अपन नाइट्रोजन साइकिल कहते हैं. नॉट nitrogen exists as two nitrogen atoms joined by a very strong triple covalent bond and triple bond N. It means in one molecule of nitrogen, two atoms are bonded by powerful trivalent bond, and so nitrogen molecules are inert. Breaking this bond and forming bonds with other molecules requires high amount of energy. Now, nitrogen cycle operating in atmosphere is completed in 4 steps. First step is nitrogen fixation, second ammonification, third nitrification, and last step is denitrification. It means these 4 steps occurs in a cyclic form, and this is known as nitrogen cycle. Let's see. Concentrate of nitrogen cycle in this table. First step, nitrogen fixation. In this, atmosphere nitrogen convert into ammonia gas, and this reaction is a reductional process or reductional reaction, and it occurs biological as well as abiological. It means ये नेचुरल भी हो सकती है और बायोटिक कंपोनेंट्स माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिज्म के थ्रू भी हो सकती है. सेकेंड, ammonification. Protein converted into ammonia. It means due to degradation of protein molecules, it convert into amino acid. Further, amino acid convert into ammonia gas due to hydrolysis, and this process occurs only by biotic components. Third, nitrification. In this step, ammonia convert into nitrite. Further, nitrite convert into nitrate through oxidation, and this process occurs only through biotic components. It means biological. Now, last step is denitrification. In this, nitrate converted into nitrogen, and it is the reductional reaction, and it occurs both biological as well as abiological. It means atmosphere nitrogen convert into ammonia. Further, ammonia convert into nitrite, nitrite to nitrate, and nitrate recycle convert into nitrogen. Firstly, we are going to in detail about nitrogen fixation. Definition: the process by which free atmosphere nitrogen is converted into nitrogen compound is called nitrogen fixation. It means N2 convert into ammonia. The fixation of atmosphere free nitrogen is carried out by different methods, and this can be explained with the help of following chart. Let's see. Following chart of nitrogen fixation. Nitrogen fixation is of two types: abiotic nitrogen fixation and second, biotic nitrogen fixation. A means absent, biotic means microorganism. It means abiotic nitrogen fixation is of two types: natural abiological nitrogen fixation are atmospheric thunder and electric discharge. Thunder means lightning. Second, industrial or artificial nitrogen fixation. Further, biotic nitrogen fixation is divided into two types, asymbiotic and symbiotic. Asymbiotic means free living microorganisms. Symbiotic means attached with plants. Association of plants with microorganisms. Then both get benefits from each other. Plants absorb nitrite or nitrate form of nitrogen, and microorganisms gets nutrition from the plant. Symbiotic nitrogen fixation occurs by root nodules and stem nodules in the plant body. Further, asymbiotic nitrogen fixation is divided into three parts: aerobic, anaerobic, and blue-green algae or cyanobacteria. It means asymbiotic nitrogen fixation एरोबिक बैक्टीरिया के थ्रू हो सकता है, एनएरोबिक बैक्टीरिया के थ्रू भी हो सकता है, एंड ब्लू-ग्रीन एल्गी और साइनोबैक्टीरिया के थ्रू भी हो सकता है. Example of aerobic and anaerobic bacteria are Azotobacter, Azomonas, Clostridium, Rhodopseudomonas, and example of blue-green algae are Oscillatoria, Nostoc, Anabina, and symbiotic nitrogen fixation occurs by root nodules and stem nodules. It means symbiotic bacteria form the node-like structure in the root of plants and stem. Root nodules formed by Rhizobium and Bradyrhizobium bacteria, and stem nodules formed by Azorhizobium bacteria. Now, we are going to talk about the abiotic nitrogen fixation in the detail. This type of nitrogen fixation take place by natural process due to environmental factors, and this can be of two types. First, atmospheric nitrogen fixation or natural nitrogen fixation. Second, industrial nitrogen fixation or artificial nitrogen fixation. Now, first type, atmospheric nitrogen fixation. During electric discharge and thunder and due to ultraviolet radiations, atmospheric nitrogen reacts with water and form nitric acid. It means atmospheric nitrogen combined with oxygen in the presence of electric discharge, UV radiation or ozonization, and combustion, then different type of nitrogen oxides are produced, and the nitrogen oxide dissolve in water and give rise to hyponitrous form, nitrous and nitric acids, and they enter soil along with rainwater, forming hyponitrites, nitrites and nitrates form. In other words, atmosphere nitrogen react with water vapor and form nitric acid. Further, this nitric acid react with oxygen to form nitrogen dioxide gas, and these nitrogen dioxide react with water and form nitrous acid HNO2 and nitric acid HNO3. These acids recharge soil with rainwater and react with alkaline radicals to form nitrites NO2 and nitrate NO3. Later, the nitrite and nitrates are soluble in water and are absorbed by root, because plants absorb the NO2 and NO3 form of nitrogen. So this type of nitrogen fixation may about 10% of the total nitrogen fixation. It means total nitrogen fixation का 10% जो नाइट्रोजन फिक्सेशन होता है वो नेचुरल और एटमॉस्फेरिक होता है. लेट्स सी वॉल रिएक्शन. एटमॉस्फेयर नाइट्रोजन bind with atmosphere oxygen due to presence of UV radiations and lightning and form 2NO. Further, 2NO bind with O2 and form NO2, nitric dioxide. This NO2 bind with water vapor and form nitrous and nitric acid HNO2 and HNO3. These nitrous acid reaches soil with rainwater and react with alkaline radicals and form nitrite, like this. Nitrate form nitric acid in the soil form nitrates. So NO2 minus and NO3 minus are absorbable form for the plants, and this form is formed in the soil after leaching of rainwater. Second, industrial nitrogen fixation or artificial nitrogen fixation. For this, only one method, which is known as Haber method, because it is used in laboratory at very high temperature, about 200 degrees Celsius, and pressure. In the presence of catalyst, nitrogen bind with hydrogen and form ammonia gas. So this method of ammonia formation is called Haber method, and this ammonia is used in manufacture of chemical fertilizer. Let's see reaction. Nitrogen gas react with hydrogen 3s2 at high temperature, high pressure and presence of catalyst and form 2 molecule of ammonia gas.